All right, welcome to the function naming and standardization challenge. A lot going on there in terms of a challenge name. But what I want you to do is take a look at these 4 function names and see if there's maybe some better naming that we can get behind. Is there anything that we can standardize? Is there something that's maybe a better name? Right? Take a look. That's all I'm going to give you. See what you see, and do your best. All right, we're able to do it. Some of our answers here obviously may differ. Clean code is one of those things where it's more about trying to get to the destination than just ignoring the destination. And so, what I mean by that is some of our stuff may be a little different, and that's okay. So let's take a look at add message here, right? Fundamentals. We want to do our camel case. We also could probably do a more descriptive name here where this isn't really adding a message, similar to our type here. We have an email, so like maybe even variable renaming email data or just email, and it can still take in a message. And maybe we'll even rename this, right? Add email. Perfect. Depending on how your application runs, you may have add. This could also be create. Typically in my application, when I go and do a post to the database, or I go and I create something new, I'm going to use this as my prefix. Same thing with this empty admin. Anytime I get something, I return, I follow the convention here of get. And we can do empty admin. Not maybe the best descriptive name, but you get the idea. Instead of empty admin, perhaps like new admin, right? And then we have our 2 deletes here, and they have different functions in the sense of what one deletes a user, one deletes an admin, or one removes a user, one removes an admin. So let's just maybe standardize this prefix a little bit here and do delete, or vice versa, change it to remove. Really, it's about taking a look and thinking about, is our function name doing what it says it's doing? And are we following a standard convention so that as I go through the code base, it's a little easier to figure out what it's supposed to be doing.